Welcome to the chapter Patterns. This slide presents the overview of the chapter. Learning objectives. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to understand how the patterns are different and have equal halves. Explain why some numbers will not have at least a line which divides it into half. Understand what the number patterns are. Introduction. In our daily life, we see different objects, things and living beings, etc. which look alike when they are folded in half. Have you ever tried to do so? Let us try to find the objects or things which look alike. Let's have a look at the things which look alike. The pictures which when folded vertically appear such that one part coincides with the other half. Let us look at some examples from nature. If we place a mirror along the incomplete part, we can see the other half which looks exactly like the remaining half of the image. Take up an activity to complete the other halves. Drag and drop the other missing halves of the figures given below. Now, we shall observe the figures with multiple lines that divide the image into two equal halves. Take a squared paper. For the first time, fold it into half horizontally and then unfold it. For the second time, fold it into half vertically and then unfold it. For the third time, fold the square into half diagonally, flipping downside to up as shown. For the fourth time, fold the square into half diagonally, flipping upside to down as shown. Again, open out the fold. From all the above foldings, we observe that the square has four lines which can divide the square into two equal halves. Let's take an alphabet as shown on the screen. Can you make it into halves which look like each other? Absolutely not, since the alphabet R cannot be divided into halves that look like each other. Therefore, there are some alphabet which we cannot make them half that look alike. Now, let us do an activity to check the lines which divides the image exactly into two equal halves that look like each other. Now, let us do an activity on making a mask. Click each tab to know more. Objective. The main objective of this activity is to make a mask. Procedure. Take a thick sheet of paper and fold it into half as shown on the screen. Now, draw the design as shown above. Take a pair of scissors and cut along the edges where we have drawn earlier. Now, unfold the paper. Now, color the mask as you wish to have. Observation. We have observed that the mask has been made by making the paper into two halves that look alike each other. Now, we will do an activity on shapes. Identify the shapes from the given figure. Now we will study about the number patterns. A number pattern is a series of numbers that follow a rule. For example, here the matchsticks are arranged in a pattern by following a number rule of increasing it by one number. Here the number of matchsticks keeps increasing by 1, that is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In another example, here is a number pattern. Look at the sequence of numbers. Can you guess the next number? In this number pattern, start at 1 and add 2 each time. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Keep adding 2 each time. The next numbers are 7 and 9. After the number 9, the next number will be 9 plus 2 equal to 11. This number pattern is an increasing number pattern by the rule of addition of 2. In another example, here is a number pattern. In this number pattern, start at 17 and subtract 3 each time. 17 minus 3 is equal to 14. 14 minus 3 is equal to 11. Keep subtracting 3 each time. The next number will be 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. This number pattern is a decreasing number pattern by the rule of subtraction of 3. Look carefully at the given number series. 2, 4, 6, 8. Here the number starts at 2 and add 2 each time. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Keep adding 2 each time. Let us solve some exercise problems. Let us perform an activity on number patterns. Identify the next number in the series by clicking the button. Practice zone. Try to solve the questions on your own in the practice zone. Click Solution tab to verify your answers. Summary. Let us recap the highlights of this chapter. A pattern is a set of shapes or numbers or alphabet that are repeated over and over again. We have seen the things which can be made into equal halves. We also learned the number patterns and different shapes. Follow-up work. Which of the numbers from 1 to 10 can be divided into equal halves? Also, draw the line which divides the number into halves. Look around you. State which are the objects that can be divided into halves that look alike. Identify the number pattern in the series 20, 30, 40, 50. Test your understanding of the chapter by taking the mock unit test. You have successfully completed the chapter Patterns.